A true superhero is someone who helps others. Chotu Superhero loved helping everyone in his village. Then he found hurt Parrot who couldn't fly. The next day, Chotu set out to find the parrot's family, but a cunning fox blocked their path. Chotu bravely stepped forward. With superhero strength, he blocked the fox's path. From that day on, Chotu and the little parrot became the best of friends forever. Finally, they found the parrot's family in a giant tree. The reunion was full of joy. The parrot could fly once again. From above, it called out, "You are my best friend."